What's up, budget babes? It's Linda back again with another video. So keep on watching if you'd like to see this week's Dollar Tree haul for Budget Babe Tuesday. So first things first, I'm going to show you these new Echo Tools facial Konjac sponge. I got two of them. I had heard really good things about these sponges. They're aloe infused and super gentle on the skin. So next, I got a hyaluronic acid gel mask by Global Beauty Care. This is a really nice brand, and I really like their masks and lip scrubs, so I'm really excited to give this a try. It says it's a 15-minute facial mask, and it is 1.7 ounces. So next, I found a foot file for pedicures. I've never seen anything like this at Dollar Tree. Seems like it'll be really nice for filing your feet and getting them nice and soft and ready for the summer. So next, I got the Sassy and Chic Cuticle Oil. I had seen this plenty of times before, but I never purchased it. But I started seeing some really good reviews on it, and I heard that even nail techs were hoarding these because they were great for the cuticles. And I usually don't use oil for my cuticles. I usually just hydrate with like a moisturizer, but I'm gonna start using this and see how this works. Next, for nails, I got this Ultra Nail Hardener by LA Colors. I actually had heard really good things about this product. I have the LA Colors Nail Strengthener, and I've noticed that my nails grow super fast and they feel definitely stronger with nail polish. So I'm hoping that this hardener works as well. Also by LA Colors, I got an LA Colors nail polish, but I had never seen this. I love their glitter nail polishes, but this isn't even glitter. It's more like a confetti. They're like neon chunky glitters, and I just feel like these would look so fun in the summer, and definitely on the toes and on the accent nail would be really fun. So I'm actually super duper excited to try this. And last, for nail polish, I was so happy when I found more Sally Hansen nail polishes because these are really hard to find, but they're super great quality. So these are the Sally Hansen Complete Salon Manicure nail polishes. I know they look really similar in color, but they're actually really different. So I don't know if you can tell, but this one's like a little bit more of a dark bluish purple, and this one's more of a burgundy dark brown. So this one is called To the Moon and Black, and this one is called Lucky Dress. I am such a fan of dark nail polishes, so I was so excited to find these. Also by LA Colors, I found these fabulous press-on nails. These were definitely calling my name. They're the really cute coffin-shaped nails, and they have like that really nice kind of graphic line to it, almost like a French tip, but pointy. And then this one has just like a little angle to it, but I really like the nude color with the nice accent of the blue. Super excited to try these. So next, let's get into my favorite portion of my hauls, the makeup portion. So Dollar Tree usually has a great selection of Wet n Wild brushes, but I had never seen these brushes before, so I had to get this. Is a super duper fine angled brush, which I love for carving out brows and filling in brows. So next, I found some fabulous Milani concealers. So these are the Retouch and Erase concealers. They're the light lifting concealers, and they have a spongy top for application. This is the color Honey, this is Deep Honey, and this is Bronze. So just to clarify, because I get asked this all the time, why do I always grab concealers and foundations and powders that are not my skin tone? I am a makeup artist and I do work on varying skin tones. A lot of my clients are way lighter than me or way darker than me, and it's very important for me to have a variety of different colors and finishes for people who have different skin than I do. Milani is a great thing to have in my kit. I usually buy this at Walmart, and I was happy to find it at Dollar Tree. Because Milani concealers are so high quality and great coverage, these were an amazing find for the Dollar Tree. Next, I found a gorgeous blush by the brand Flower by Drew Barrymore. This is such a pretty little corally pink blush, so I just have to open it and swatch it for you guys. The packaging is so impressive. This has to be one of the best packagings of a drugstore brand that I've ever seen. It's super high quality and it feels very high end. It's very acrylic feeling, and I appreciate that. So this is a nice sponge applicator. It says Flower on it, and this is perfect for a cream blush. I love that. That is the perfect color to give you a nice little rosy glow. I love a good naturally flushed looking cheek. I think it's so youthful and just like really pretty. It makes your face look nice and healthy and plump without a full face of makeup. Let's swatch it on my hand. Look at how pretty that is. It's a gorgeous little corally peach color. So next, by Wet n Wild, I found this beautiful matte liquid lipstick. This is the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit lipstick. It is in the color Video Vixen. How gorgeous is this beautiful dark burgundy? Wow, look at that. That pigmentation is amazing and that color is beautiful. So next, by Wet n Wild, I found this beautiful natural blend lip shimmer. This is something new. I had never even seen this product before. This is in the color Sugar. So this is what it looks like. And it's retractable like a chapstick. So let's give it a swatch. Wow, that is pretty. Texture is very much like a chapstick. It has like a nice little hydrating cream touch to it. So I feel like this is more of a tinted lip balm. And I actually really like this because I feel like I'm gonna use this for daily use, just to kind of put a little color on your lips, but not have a full-on lipstick. So I think that this is gorgeous. All you need is your little flush of blush and your little tinted lip balm and you're good to go. So next, I found a product that I also had never tried from Wet n Wild, and I never had seen this before. So this is the Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1 Primer Water. Never heard of this before. Prep, set, and refresh. And it has a gorgeous little rose on it. So I got two because the packaging was really small. It looks like it's not even a fluid ounce. It says it's 0.67 fluid ounces. So I got myself two, but I really like the size of it because it's definitely something that you can keep in your purse, but definitely for refreshing. I find that to avoid looking powdery and cakey, a nice little refresher throughout the day will just keep your makeup looking alive. So definitely going to be going one in my purse, maybe one in the car, and this will definitely be my new staple. And I most likely will even just keep the bottle once it runs out because this is such a good compact size. So last in the Wet n Wild makeup, I found some gorgeous, gorgeous products. I had never seen these before. As soon as I saw them, I just had to scoop them up, and I got them in every color that I could find. So let me know if you guys had ever seen these before, because I don't remember ever seeing these in a drugstore, let alone the Dollar Tree. Wet n Wild has liquid eyeshadows. Wet n Wild? What? I was so excited. So I have two shimmers, one metallic, and one cream. So I'm gonna swatch them all to show you, but let me give you a closer look. This one looks like a nice little bronzy color. This one's more gold. This one's a nice metallic red. And then this one is like a matte cream nude color. So these are 0.07 fluid ounces. As you guys know, Wet n Wild is vegan and cruelty free. So I definitely think that these are great products. So the first one I'm going to show you is this gorgeous nude color. This color is called Putty in My Hands. You guys see that? That is so pretty. I could see that being a nice all over lid color just for a nice little neutral tone moment. What I really love liquid eyeshadows for is a good cut crease. So I think that this will be really pretty for a cut crease as well. So the next one I'm going to show you is this gorgeous red metallic one, and I just think that this is such a bold color. I mean, red on the eyes, I think it's gonna look fabulous on. So this is actually the one that I'm like the most excited for because it's the most different from what I ever used, and the color is called Ruby Heist. Oh, look at how pretty. It has a nice like copper undertone to it that I think is gonna capture really nicely in natural lighting. And the next one is this gorgeous gold glitter. You guys know that I'm a sucker for a glitter cut crease, and it is called Goldie Luxe. So let's swatch this gorgeous color. Look at that. It is, I don't even think the camera gives it justice because it is so pigmented and glittery. It almost looks like a foil. And the last liquid glitter we have is this gorgeous bronzy color. I really like this. This one is called Cashmere Love, and let's give this one a swatch. So exactly what I thought. This was gonna be my favorite one. Look at how pretty that bronzy glitter is. Ugh. I wanna wear this now. This is so beautiful. I think I really lucked out on these 4 things. This by far has to be one of the best finds I've ever found at Dollar Tree. So now that we're through with makeup, I have one more product that I want to show you. It is a hair product. Last but definitely not least, I found this L'Oreal mousse. It is the Air Dry It Ruffled Body Mousse. How cute is this packaging? First of all, this is an artist collaboration series. It says here on the bottle that the artwork on here is actually by Stina Persson. I'm probably mispronouncing it, but it says here special edition packaging designed by international artist and fashion collaborator Stina Persson, whose watercolor work, when air dried, brings to life images inspired by organic shapes in nature. How beautiful. So they had the mousse, and then they also had a dry shampoo. I have enough dry shampoo. It's not something that I run out of because I don't use it regularly. So I opted for not grabbing it, but it definitely was the cute same packaging concept. But mousse I definitely use, and it really caught my eye because it says here that it's heat-free style and frizz-resistant. And it says here that it's specifically for waves and curls, and it has a strong hold. So I really like strong holds for mousse. It's really hard to find a mousse that's not like super watery and weighing on your hair. And the fact that it can be used on curls without weighing them down, I think is great. So I'm excited to give this a try. So that is all for today's Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Budget Babe Tuesday. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember that I upload videos every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesdays are Budget Babe Tuesdays, and Fridays are my Fabulous Friday videos. Sometimes it's one of those YouTube shorts, and sometimes it's a regular long video. Either way, I'm uploading twice a week, so be on the lookout for that. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's Budget Babe Tuesday. I hope to see you guys on Fabulous Friday. Bye.